Just assuming in your CAD data are parts that exist multiple times, similar ones are designed repeatedly, or existing parts are unused in your assemblies. Pretty scary, huh? Isn't there a tool for it? It is ModelSearch. Find similar parts in the PLM environment or CAD software. Compare parts for similarity, even live when designing. Analyze assemblies and detect duplicates. All this just with ModelSearch. How? ModelSearch compares geometry and attributes directly in your PLM using native CAD files. Similarities are also detected right from the beginning. Similarities are displayed in the search results visually, even in 3D. It works while designing your parts as well. Similar or even equal parts, which are existing already, can be displayed in a pop-up during the design process. Let ModelSearch check assemblies for their structure or content even before validation. Are there duplicates in your existing CAD files? ModelSearch can find these with ease. No matter if working in planning, project management, part calculation or finances, ModelSearch helps reducing cost and time. From avoiding designing equal parts, minimizing variety of these, through to creating suitable ones for standardization, ModelSearch is the way to go. Ready to step up your digitalization process? We are happy to hear from you.